Hello candy friends! We go on with our strawberry week, and as you see, we continue with a yogurette. The pink, the red, the green, the brown. Yeah, I love the color scheme. Promise something here. Don't know what. Okay, we will manage this best before date. And yeah, I would say let's open it and witness a yogurette waterfall. No, a typical waterfall. Look at this. Oh, the smell. Yogurt and strawberry. Okay. They tend to alter the design every few years. Let's unwrap it. It already starts melting, but before I put it into my mouth, we knife through. Well, there is a slight difference, isn't there? Let's try this. Look at the liquid chocolate. Yeah, what shall I say? I know them. They throughout the years they taste always the same, and I like it. Although it's something very, very artificial. A little bonus tip: put them into the fridge. They taste even better then. I love it. Yeah, this is one paper unwrapped, and what my grandpa did, you know. My grandpa, you know, he folded this, you know, like a madman, you know, till it wasn't possible anymore. And I do right the same. So how many times can you wrap it? Let me know in the comments, and I see you tomorrow. Bye.